Welcome back to another Lavu tutorial, where I'm going to show you how you can update your employees' time cards. This is a vital part of any business to ensure your team is paid accurately and on time. You can use the Manage Time Cards page to adjust existing time cards, create new ones, or even delete a time punch entirely. This page also shows you the tips and gratuity that each employee received for the dates you have selected. This can make paying out your employees through their paychecks much easier. To adjust an existing time card, click on the employee to expand their time card to see each individual time punch. If you aren't seeing the correct time punches, try changing the date in the top left corner. Once you have found the time punch, click on the pencil icon on the left and you will be prompted to make changes. If you need to track time punches for breaks, make sure you check the box here before saving your changes. If one of your employees forgets to clock out, you can add their clock out punch in the exact same way. If one of your employees forgets to clock in, you can create a new time card by clicking the button here. When you create a brand new time card, the clock out time is optional, which allows your employee to clock out normally at the end of their shift. By default, the total number of hours your employees work will be shown in hours and minutes form. You can change this to decimal format by clicking the option here. Please take note that you will lose some precision when calculating employee pay this way. Click the button again to change it back. The filters next to the date range can make it easier to find a specific employee or view time cards for a group of employees. These groups are determined by the employee classes you have created and assigned to your team. Finally, you are able to download a number of different reports into CSV format. This file can be opened by programs like Excel, Numbers, or Google Sheets. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, please reach out to our 24/7 customer support team through call, chat, or email. Check out our channel for more tutorials like creating employee schedules or videos about your hardware like printers and card readers.